Hi, I'm Melanie Martinez, and this is my presentation on 2 truths and 1 lie icebreaker activity. Can you spot my lie? My zodiac sign is Cancer. I am one of the few who hasn't watched 1 episode of Game of Thrones. I have my own business selling handmade gifts. Can you spot my lie? Like my Liar Liar Pants on Fire edition. If you guessed I am one of the few who hasn't watched 1 episode of Game of Thrones as my lie, you are correct. I've seen every episode at least twice. Some of them more. It's the best. If you are one of the few who hasn't watched an episode, I suggest you start binge watching. Thank you.